So let's proceed to subtracting of polynomials. So here, find the difference of quantity of 7x minus 3 minus quantity of 4x plus 5. Kapag sinasabi nating difference, that is minus. You are subtracting. Okay? Kapag sinasabing difference, that is minus. Okay? So next, ano yung gagawin natin kapag may ganitong expression? First thing first is, you have to look for the like term. Okay, like term, may variable x, may variable x. Kahit hindi magkapareho na number, as long as magkapareho na variable, that is still like term. Okay? So, we have 7x, and then, ano yung like term niya? We have 4x next. We have negative 3, and then positive 5, and then, the minus sign here, para alam natin may ma-minus siya. So 7 positive 7 positive 7 positive 4, still they are both positive, therefore is to subtract 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Again, just sa rules ng subtraction here, subtracting of polynomials, pareho lamang sila ng rules ng addition, adding of polynomials. So dito, i-bring down mo na lang yung variable na x. Okay? 7 minus 4 is 3, just bring down x. Okay? We have positive, okay, dito tayo. So, kapag mayroong mga hindi magkapareho na sign, ini-make sure mo yan dapat, okay? Ini-make sure mo dapat. We have negative, okay, negative, okay, negative, and then negative, positive, it's negative. So, it will look like negative 3, and then positive, okay, positive, negative, minus, okay, minus 5, minus positive 5, okay, minus positive 5. So, magkapareho sila ng sign. Kapag magkapareho yung sign is, ipa-plus mo siya. Magkapareho na sign, okay, bakit naging ganyan? Negative 3, minus positive 5, minus positive 5, okay, 5, minus positive 5, so, okay, 5. Okay, since magkapareho yung sign niya, ipa-plus mo na lang siya. 3 plus 5 is 8. Pero, yung sign is copy the sign. Since magkapareho sila ng sign, ika-copy mo yung sign, i-add mo kapag kapareho siya, pareho kapag nag-subtract and then magkapareho yung sign, i-add mo siya. 3 plus 5 is 8 and then copy the sign, negative 8. The answer is 3x minus 8. Yan. Magets?